Hello everyone, I'm Feng Yuguo. I'm the Program Director of BEng Architecture Engineering. Well, today I would like to briefly introduce our program, Architecture Engineering. Well, our program is mainly looking at buildings, and it is unique because it combines the precision of civil engineering with the creativity of architecture. So we are aiming to provide our students with some knowledge, problem-solving skills, and a comprehensive understanding of the multidisciplinary aspects of buildings, such as planning, design, construction, and management-related knowledge and skills. So that will open up the future job opportunities for our students. Well, as a student, you can either choose 2+2 or 4+0 routes. So for 2+2, that means you will spend your first 2 years study here at XJTLU and then go to University of Liverpool for the rest of your undergrad study. And for 4+0 route, that means you will spend all your 4 years here with us at XJTLU. No matter which route you will choose, you will be able to earn a third degree once you successfully graduate from the program. So, as you know, one of the degrees will be associated with XJTLU and the other degree is associated with the University of Liverpool. So it is worth to emphasize that our program is accredited by JBM, Joint Board of Moderators in UK. That is a world-recognized accreditation, so that will make you become a future chartered engineer, and that also proves the high quality of our program. So here is a photo of our academic staff. So throughout your study here with us at XJTLU, you will be able to interact with us. As you can see that we are all coming from a diverse background. So that means you will also have the opportunity to experience different culture. So now let me introduce the curriculum of our program. Well, we have civil engineering core subjects like structure, materials, geotechnics, and hydraulics related modules. We have 4 architecture related modules so that you can develop some necessary understanding about the architecture, design theories, techniques. And we have 4 construction management related modules like construction methods, cost control and estimate, project management, construction management, so that you can develop some necessary management skills. And we have building service engineering module that teach you about like HVAC system, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, water piping, and also green building design construction. In addition, we have the BEng module, Building Information Modeling. As you may already know, BEng is a quite powerful modeling tool nowadays. So with BEng technology, you can actually visualize the building interior and exterior, and you will be able to check how different systems are interacting with each other, and you can resolve any clashes early in the design phase to avoid the problems later on in the construction phase. And the models can even be used to guide the construction work or the fabrication work. So once you know how to use BEng, you can potentially become a BEng modeler or BEng manager in the future. In addition, we have the new facade engineering module, which focuses on the structure and architecture design of the building facade. So here's a list of our modules from year 2 to year 4. So as you may already know that we have many similarities with the civil engineering program. So, but of course, there are also differences between the two programs, like the ones highlighted in red are unique for architecture engineering program. And here give you more information about our differences. Like we have removed the modules listed on the right, but added the modules listed on the left for our program. So in terms of the teaching methods, we not only use the traditional teaching methods, but also we have incorporated some new innovative teaching theories and methods like student-centered teaching, research-led teaching, technology-enhanced teaching. And for our program, since we have the architecture design related modules, so there will be some design studio work where you need to create your own physical models and be able to present your design to other audience. And we also have the field work, like where you need to go to the field to do some surveying work, or you need to create your own 3D building models by using the Revit software, which is the most popular 3D modeling software right now. And you can even visualize your 3D models by using the virtual reality technology. So in addition to a variety of in-class activities, there are also plenty of opportunities for you to visit the project site, the design companies, the construction companies, the real estate companies, so that you can learn the latest design, construction, management related techniques. And here's a recent visit to Crown Homes, where the students get to see how the green wooden houses are designed and constructed in different styles. Periodically, we have guest lectures, so we will invite some industry speakers to give guest lectures on a variety of topics that are relevant to our program. Once in a while, we will hold some research seminars as well. Every 4 years, our department will hold the international conference where we will invite many great scholars and industry leaders from all around the world so that they will also give us great speeches based on their expertise. And of course, that is also a great opportunity for you to meet and talk with people, to learn about the latest technologies, research-related knowledge. So that is about our conference. And in addition, many of our students choose to attend some student competitions after class, so to enhance their learning. Well, over the last academic year, our architecture engineering students got 3 international level awards, 1 national level award, and 2 provincial level awards. In addition, we have the mandatory requirements for our students that they must do the internship to get some practical work experience. So actually, our department will offer some internship opportunities with the support of our IAB members. When I say IAB, it means Industry Advisory Board. So as you can see that our IAB members are all coming from the industry. So they have great knowledge, expertise in different fields that are relevant to our program. So they provide many great support for our teaching, research activities, and provide support for our students, site visit or internship. So, as I mentioned earlier, well, our program opens up many future job opportunities for our students because we are looking at buildings. So you can either choose to go to the real estate industry, or you can choose to go to the government, or you can choose to work on education and training. So for the real estate industry, there are also many different areas that you can choose to work on. For example, from the very early phase, like land development, where you need to put in a great amount of money to get the land, or to the investigation and design, construction and supervision, to the later on property management phase, where you need to manage the properties after the building has already been constructed. And for the government, there are also many job opportunities that are related to housing, urban rural development, or the housing administration. And in terms of the education and training, you can either choose to go to the higher education like the universities, or you can choose to focus more on some specific skills training. So once you graduate, there are general 4 options for you guys. So the first option is to work in the industry, like to work in the areas that I introduced earlier in the previous slide. Or the second option is to continue your master study here at XJTLU. Like currently we have 4 master programs: civil engineering, sustainable construction, construction management, and material science and engineering. So the last one, material science and engineering, is a new program that has been just released. So we might have more in the future. And the third option is to pursue the master's degree in other world top universities, like the ones in the UK, Australia, Canada, US, New Zealand, Hong Kong, China, and other places. And the fourth option is to pursue the PhD degree right after graduation. It is not common but possible. We have students who got the PhD offer right after their graduation here at XJTLU, and also from other very good international universities. So, well, based on our previous experience, many of our students choose to continue their master's study in other world top universities, like the Imperial College, UCL, Delft University of Technologies, University of Melbourne, and so on. And we also have students got very good job offers from good companies. But here we listed some companies that have our graduates. As you can see, there are some big international companies like Arab, Acom, and there are also many good local companies. So that is all I want to introduce about our program. Well, welcome to join Architecture Engineering program. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.